On November 1, President Ilham Aliyev inspected the upgraded conditions following landscaping and reconstruction efforts in front of Baku Railway Station and the 28th of May metro station. Eldar Azizov, head of Baku City Executive Authority, briefed the head of state on the improvements made in the area from the junction of Pushkin Street with Azadlig Avenue to its intersection with Dilara Aliyeva Street, in front of Baku Railway Station and the 28th of May metro station. In this 3.5-hectare zone, the movement of passenger vehicles has been eliminated, replaced with modern bus, pedestrian, and bicycle lanes. Approximately 2,300 square meters of greenery have been created, with over 200 trees imported from Italy and more than 15,000 shrubs planted. Lighting improvements have been made. And modern seating arrangements have been installed. Additionally, 2 fountains and 2 bus stops that adhere to modern construction standards have been built, along with 4 charging stations for electric buses.